To start a survey, click on Events and then on Surveys. The previously created surveys will be displayed. How to create a survey is explained in a separate video. This video is about conducting the survey. To start the survey, I click on Start Session. I assign a room name and participants log into TEDME.com in this room. Alternatively, I can click on the link icon at the top, either to send the link via email or copy the link. In the case of an in-person event, I can also project a QR code on the wall for login. I now log in manually to TEDME.com, and in the background I'll do the same on additional devices. This will allow me to better demonstrate what the results will look like. I'm logged in and now begin to edit my survey. General Annual Meeting. How much did you like the General Annual Meeting in general? For this multiple choice question, I select Good. What can we improve next time? I respond with more coffee breaks. Should the event take place online or in person next time? For this multiple choice question, I choose both options as I'm okay with both. On a scale of 1 to 8, were the speakers easy to understand? I select a value on the slider for each speaker. At the end, as a participant, I provide my name and submit the responses. As the moderator, I open the navigation and adjust how long this room will remain open, so the participants will have enough time to complete the survey. Enjoy experimenting!